This is the Spiderman 2099 helmet from Budwin. I printed in both black and white. Today we're gonna put together the black version. First of all, removing all of the supports for the red accents around the eyes. Now removing the supports for the eye sockets. And now removing all the supports for the back panel. This is the textured helmet. This thing looks really good. There's no need to do any post-processing. Now let's get onto the main helmet. Lots of tree supports. As we go through the video, I'll show you some hints and tips for getting everything together. And this wasn't without some problems and issues with printing, and I'll go through some of those later on in the video. The little tree supports are removed. We can see the texture of all the helmet. It's come out pretty clean. No reason to do any post-processing. Maybe you might want to do a little bit of sanding around where the tree supports were. But for my purposes, I don't need that. It's a super cool looking helmet. So, eye sockets are fitted. You can see through these when the helmet's on. It's still a little difficult, but it is possible. Now just gluing in all the magnets. These are 7x2 magnets. I'll leave a link in the description below. One of the things that I found easier to help me with the magnets and magnet orientation, stacking the magnets behind where you want to put your new magnet, and then these will stay in place like there, and you can then make sure that all your magnets are orientated in the correct position. Here's all the magnets glued in. These will dry overnight. I'm using Gorilla Super Glue. It only needs one small dab in each socket. For the back of the helmet, I use the same trick of stacking the magnets to make sure I orientate them all the same way and the correct way. And now onto the eyepieces. These are 7x1 magnets. Again, small dab of super glue. And then more magnets around the eye sockets themselves. And here's the completed helmet. I think that's looking pretty cool, pretty neat. This wasn't without issues. Here's the build plate. The main issue that I was coming up with was on the main helmet. I had to make some adjustments to the supports. Essentially, the support was continually breaking on the rear of the helmet, and so I changed the wall loops from 0 to 3. This will increase the thickness of your tree supports. However, as I show you where the tree support breaks, and I had that on 2 different Bamboo Lab P1S printers with 2 different types of filament. And there, I had that every single time on every single print, until I adjusted the wall loops